Exams next week, but I don't know. Hi guys, welcome back again to another vlog, to another video. Thank you for always stopping by on my channel. If you're new here, I'm Cherono, and yeah, I create lifestyle content, and if you're into it, kindly subscribe to my channel. Today is on Thursday, yeah, and I want to begin the vlog. Najua nakaa vibaya cause right now I want to take a bath or a shower, I don't know. Najua nakaa vibaya, but anyway, I hope you're doing good. I want to start the vlog today. It's on Thursday, and I don't know if I just wanted to vlog. Yeah, I was in the mood of creating something. Yeah, so right now I want to take a shower, then I have to shoot a TikTok and Instagram video, then I arrange my clothes. It's tiresome kupanga nguo. Yeah, that's the plan of the day. And I also have to read later, but exams next week, but I don't know how I'm feeling about it. I really can't tell. Yeah, that's it. So let's start our vlog. So this is what I always use for my body. I just love this Vaseline, the cocoa butter, and this one, the aloe vera, and also for the oats. All of them are just so good for a dry skin. And also this one, if you also have a dry skin, it's good. It's a moisturizer. And also this, yeah. So this pants, yeah, this is how I look. I'm back to my position, signature position as usual. Anyway, I'm using black pencil, brown, and this squeeze and shine with my mirror kama kawaida. Yeah, anyway, my lips are moisturized or ziko soft. Yeah, I'm using my mirror, so look out for me. I'm using this black pencil to start with.
You are beautiful. Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another.
Brown, of which I'm trying the brown one for the first time. Not the first time, like both, yeah. Yeah, that's it, guys. I look good. So,
get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. Trying to make a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make sense of those chains that me, I want in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wait my almost favorites. Still wanna try, still believe me. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Show me on my feet. I just wanna fuck with you.
hi guys, welcome back again to another video.
Trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know if you're pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Good morning guys, today is on Friday.
It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I
grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. Tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better, life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life.
Hi guys, today is on Friday and I'm just from reading. Nakwambia school is tough to be honest. Like, hey, niko na exam next week. Like, I have an exam next week and I'm not even sure if I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready for some units, and also for some units I'm just feeling off. Hata sina psych ya hiyo units. Yeah, but anyway, I have like 3 days to exam. We will just do whatever we know. Yeah, that's it guys. So right now it's currently 10, so I've read for like 2 hours. Right now it's currently 10 and I left the sun on my window because it's just bright, it's natural, you see. Yeah, so right now I want to take my breakfast and then I want to go and undo my hair and also wash and blow. Yeah, that's it. That's the plan of the day. And I also have to pick my exam card, but I don't know if I'll make it to do that today or Monday. Yeah, but that's my plan. So let me refreshen up, take my breakfast, and I'll see you guys later when I'm going to undo my hair. Hi guys, so today is on, it's still Friday, so now naenda kutengeneza nywele, naenda kutoa, naenda kubomolewa, nyoshewe, and yeah, so this is what I've worn. This maxi skirt, sijui kama inaonekana, and this top. Yeah, and I'll just go with my tote bag because I'm carrying a sweater. I don't know about the weather. Yeah, so let's go.
Two-time baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, pride of they dying. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-time baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn.
I didn't vlog that much, I'm sorry, but my hair, yeah, I just went and straightened my hair. Anyway guys, I'm gonna talk to you later.
PT.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seems like I get so much, I don't get nothing.
Hey guys, so today is on Friday in the evening and I even don't know what to say. I was watching this movie. I've been seeing it on TikTok. Yeah, I've been seeing it on TikTok and yeah, I don't know. I haven't catched up. Like, I just began it before I talk to you. So I don't know if it's Nigerian or South African. I don't know. but I'm so excited about it because it's just 1 hour 51 minutes. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog today because I have to edit it. Okay, I've edited some parts, but I have to complete editing. And yeah, okay, also guys, I wanted to show you what I brought. No, I'm not gonna show you. I'm gonna do a full video of it. Yeah, so I'm just having my supper, which I'm having rice with a viazi. I don't know if it's visible, and I'm watching this movie. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you haven't subscribed up to this point, kindly subscribe to my channel for more YouTube content and more lifestyle content. And yeah, thank you for always watching my videos, and don't forget to engage also on this video. So I'm gonna see you on my next one. Bye.